Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this GEVEELIFE Buffer / Polisher tool. So this is going to be a product overview video. So let's get into it and let me show you what the product comes with, the features it has, and how well it works, and then I'll give my overall feedback at the end. So you can see this is how the polisher looks. Here's the actual polisher. It's a nice heavy duty tool, has a nice weight to it, so you know that it's made very well. So here's the large buffering wheel right here. Here's your on and off switch. Here you're able to adjust the different speeds. It goes up to 7. You have a handle right here. It has a nice long cord. This is how the bottom looks. It comes with the smaller size wheel with some sanding pads right here. 4 different foam pads. And it has 2 of the polishing pads. So all you have to do to install this is just screw this in to the screw right here. If you want to attach this, it comes with the supplied bolts that you just attach it there. This gets screwed in, so you just hold down this button and then you unscrew it if you want to change to the different size. And you can see that everything fits nicely in the supplied bag. So everything stays nice and put, so you won't lose anything. Okay, so I recommend putting like 4 or 5 dots on here, small dots. And then you're gonna dab it on here. Start with the low speed first. So now I'm going to switch it to the polishing pad. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great buffer / polisher. I like how well that the tool is made. It has a good weight to it. I also like how it comes with a different size buffing wheels and that you're able to use this to sand and to buff cars or buff any other object that you need to buff. I like how you're able to change the different speeds right here, and I like how you're able to switch the handles from either right or left side. And this product works very well. Thanks for watching.